Hi guys, this is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. This is a picker pile reading. So there are three piles, one with a white angel, other second pile is with a green angel, and third pile is with a seven chakra pendant. So close your eyes, centralize yourself, and just take 2-3 deep breath to calm yourself. Then open your eyes and see which pile or piles connect to you, and that is the guidance for any situation you are dealing at this point of time. And it's a timeless guidance. Whenever you see this video, this guidance is applicable for you. So here is the guidance for the people who have chosen the first pile with the white angel. Let's see what the guidance is in store for you. You need to take action in order to overcome any situation you are facing right now. The guidance is that you need to take action. And the other guidance is, don't worry, everything you have been waiting for is on its way. Progress is being made even if you can't yet see the results. So much is happening behind the scenes for the creation of your dreams. Trust the process. Such a beautiful guidance. So you need to take action and trust the process. And now the guidance for the green angel who have chosen green angel. It's get more information. So in order to deal any situation you are facing right now, you need to get more information about the situation. Maybe there are some unhidden things which you are not clear about, or you don't have information, so you need to get more information on that. And what is the next guidance? Don't lose sight of this truth. You come here to evolve and grow. So it's necessary to experience the difficult times. That's when you will grow the most. There is always a light at the end of the dark tunnel. So definitely we have come into this world to evolve, and it's not an easy journey for everybody, and we have to go through our high and low. But always remember, nothing is stable. If there are dark times, then there are brighter times also, and there is always a light after at the end of a dark tunnel. For those who have chosen the 7 chakra pendant, the guidance for you to deal in any situation you are facing is by remaining positive. You need to be very positive regarding any situation you are dealing right now, that it will turn out in your favor, or whatever will happen will be for the highest good of all the parties involved. And let's see what the other guidances are. The journey wasn't the soothest or the most pleasant lately, but everything is coming together. Your patience, strength, and prevalence will soon be rewarded. The wait is almost over. Hold on. So again, they are saying maybe you had been through the toughest time or the roughest time in your life, but you need to have patience, strength, and prevalence. And if you keep that, the things will definitely turn out to be good in the coming times. So these were the guidances for the 3 piles. And if any pile resonate with you or reading resonated with you, do comment in the comment box. And for any personalized session, you can contact me through my page Divine Healing, or my Insta handle Divine Healing, or can contact me through my WhatsApp number 983 777 0092. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.